this Catch-up Fridays as mandated by the experts of our department. And I would also like to underscore one of the ailments that was found is the values of our learners. So I would like to talk about, taking this opportunity to talk about Sagip Makadios. It was launched formally last January of 3rd week, if I'm not mistaken, this January. And Central 1 Elementary School adheres to this very meaningful and very good idea of our schools division superintendent, Dr. Sheila Marie A. Primicias, for adhering to this principle of Sagip Makadios. Indeed, Central 1 also is an advocate of this Sagip Makadios, adhering to the biblical principle taken from Proverbs 22 verse 6, which says that train up a child in the way he should go, so that when he grows old, he will not depart from it. And so the foundation is in us, here in Central 1 Elementary School, because we believe that if we have educated the mind of the learners without educating the heart, there is no education, as Aristotle said in his very known saying. And so for us, dear teachers, I would like to encourage everyone that we do this actually during our flag raising ceremony. We do the value focus discussed by a teacher assigned in the grade level during our flag ceremony. And I think that is one way to adhere to this Sagip Makadios. Second, it is well discussed by the teachers, integrating the value focus in the different subject area or learning areas, and discussed further in the classroom. So the learners will be engaged well, adhering and living to the principles of these different values. Value focus given to the different schools by our division. Another thing is, I guess it was also mentioned by Ma'am Sheila that we bring back the pagmamano as a way of our respect, showing of respect to the elders or to the teachers and to the administrators. Another thing, we also, it's not just the integration of the value focus, but we really show to the learners that we teachers are worthy to be emulated in our ways, our thoughts, our words, and more so in our action. And so, my dear fellow teachers, I don't want to leave this message of giving insights without sharing with you what does it profit a man if he gains the whole world but lost his very soul. So I would like to underscore the value of Pagiging Makadios, Sagip Makadios. And so thank you so much for